Hi there, students. Contours. Okay, the contour of something is the shape of the curved surfaces, particularly the outer edge of something. So if I look to one side, you can see the contour of my face. But normally contours talks about a three-dimensional shape, and there are various different contours, and each one is slightly different. So the contours talk about the shape of something, particularly the contour of a piece of land. So let's see, the contour of Great Britain goes sort of like this, and then it comes down again, and we got Wales, and that's the contour. It's the outside shape of it. But let's see, you're now going to ask, what's the difference between the contour and the outline? Well, normally the outline is all of the shape around something in two dimensions. So the contour of my hand, this is the contour, so this is the outline of my hand. But the contour, the bits where it goes up, where it goes down, look, this here isn't flat, it has various different contours. So I studied the contours of her face. The dress that she wore showed the contours of her body to perfection. So generally contours talks about the various different shapes that go to make it up, not just the outline, which is the outside two-dimensional shape. A contour is one line of shape of something that is three-dimensional. Now they also use this word contour in maps, and a contour line on a map is a line that joins all of the points of equal height, so they're all exactly the same height, so you know exactly the shape of something, and these are contour lines. Okay, so a contour, the outline, the boundary, the border, but of a curved shape, so it's got various different contours. And then the lines on a map that define points of the same altitude. Okay, so these are this is the idea of a contour, the outline of a figure, but more than that, it's the various ones that go to make up this three-dimensional shape. Okay, the contour in linguistics is the rising and falling patterns of tone, of pitch, of stress. So the contour of my voice goes up, it goes down. I put the stress on one part of the word. The pitch, all of these talk about contour. Okay, so the contour, it's talking about the shape of something. It's talking about the lines that represent the shape. Yeah, she traced the contours of his face with her finger. A contour, the way in which the music or the tones of your voice vary. And then to contour as a verb, to give things, to mold something into a specific shape. So the chair was contoured to fit my body. Okay, it was made to fit exactly where I sat. Okay, so let's see, the outline of a curving irregular figure. So the contours, or the contour of the car, is just the shape, but the car has various different contours, and the contours make it look very good. The map could show the contour of the coastline, or the contours of a song, the way the voice goes up and down. Okay, so the contours of something, and then contours lines following something that are all of equal height, and then to contour to make something fit. So contour is the general shape, the general outline of an object. The contours of my shoulder, the contours of the hand, the profile, the lines, the form. And then a contour on a map are lines joining all of the points of equal height, and they show hills and valleys and how steep the slopes are. So, contour. Formality. I think I'm going to give it a 5.56 in formality. I think I would tend to use it in a semi-formal conversation, semi-formal writing. And then it comes from French, contour, contourner, which itself comes from Italian, contornare, to turn together. Contour.